Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and I want to give you a tour of my loft and my work at home situation now that we're all locked down with the stay at home order. We are now inside the loft. Let's give you a Tory McTorson. The first thing we're seeing is my scooter. This is a 9-bot by Segway, the kick scooter. This is the ES4. I've been using this to scoot back and forth between here and the factory instead of driving because parking's become a pain in the ass. And here we go. Right here. Hey, Kitty, how are you? See, Kitty misses me sometimes. That's why he has his very own blanket with me on it, so he can feel all safe and secure. Watch that's my, hey, what are you attacking me for? That's my face. You don't attack my face, Kitty. All right, anyway, so here, well, you know what? Let's take you to where I work first. Let's take you to the office. So now we're gonna enter the office. This is the door that keeps Kitty out. Kitty is not allowed in the office while I'm working because you become a distraction. You are a distraction, Kitty. That's right, go to your hole. So basically I have this box set up right here that becomes the door. So I can block it right here, and this is it. This is where I'm doing all of my work, right here at my desk. So here is the simple setup. I've got the lighting right here. I brought back from the factory. Those are my Kino flows. We've got the Nikon Z6 set up here with a 15mm 1.8S. So I use that to film the desk videos when I'm sitting there. We've got my ancient tripod. This is one that I bought at Alan's Camera when I work there. So it's probably, 16, 17 years old. I have a Benro tripod so that I can do some B-roll if I need to do B-roll. Over here's my shirt rack where I keep all of the I Shoot Raw shirts. The old iMac got moved out of the way because I don't use it. We have a Sony kit. I've got the other lenses for the Canon EOS R because that's what I'm using to film this right now. We've got my desk set up over here, which is where I'm doing the copying of all of these old slides and Kodachromes and my negatives with a Nikon Z7, the ES2 adapter. We've got an aperture light right here. It's on a switch pod. So that's that, my iPad for that. You're gonna see this all in a video that I have coming out, or it may already be out. Thankfully, this came in the mail before this all happened, and this is a 38-inch diagonal ViewSonic display that is curved. Here, let me turn this around to talk to you. Let me turn it around and talk to you. I didn't know if I would like a curved display. I'm gonna have a video coming out about this display. It will be a sponsored video, but I asked them to send me this so I could test it out first, and I like it. So I'm gonna tell you more about that later, but look at this. That is a 21:9 ratio image right there. That's what Steven sent me. That's Steven's photo that he took in Philly. I guess after Kobe passed away, they did this in the city. But look how you can see it across the whole screen. Man, I love it. So what made this awesome is that this is my laptop from the office. I'm able to bring it home. Now in the past, all I had here was the iMac, which really was a pain in the ass because I had to, I couldn't have all my files on it. So now that I have this monitor here, I literally just plug in via a USB-C cable. Oh, it's over here. USB-C, it powers the laptop and it allows me to use this as my display. So that has been a saving grace. Now, many of you guys know that I like to work out, right? So I'm gonna take you to the gym. I gotta open the door. Where's Kitty at? We're opening the door. Let me show you the gym. This is the gym. This I built right before this all happened, thinking that we were gonna have a shutdown order. I have the water rower. I've got a bench that can move up and down and do some incline and decline and all of that good stuff. I have the Bowflex, whatever the hell these things are. You basically turn these and you can change the weights. And then I've got the power blocks right here. The power blocks, these go up to 50 pounds. It's 10 to 50 pounds. They actually make other ones that can do in-betweens at like 22, 25, 30, 35, 40, all the way up to 50. I didn't know they actually had those, and now they're all sold out everywhere, but I'm really happy with the power blocks, and Kitty gets in the way all the time down here. I prefer the power blocks over the the Bowflex things. Do you guys want to see me do something right here? Okay, I'm gonna show you a little chesty. Oh, by the way, these are my workouts. My trainer sends my workouts over, and then I can do them right here. Here, I'm just gonna do this quickly. You know. Hold on, I'm gonna rearrange the camera. Get the bench in there. Hopefully this doesn't fall over. We're gonna do a quick one. Don't fall over now. If you fall, oh, I got a pack on my back. I gotta be careful. I don't wanna smush it. Ugh. There we go. And then this is where I do the chest. I'm like, huh, chest. And 50 it's not terrible. I could do more, but this is good. Like 50 pounds is a good amount of, here, let's just go this. So there you go, that's that. And then if I want to like change it and do curls, you just do this. I can change the weight and now I've got less. See that? And that's it. I can change it. Say I want to go to 30 pounds. I go like this, put that down there, go like that. Now we've got 30 pounds. Right like that. And that's my gym, my friends. This is where I'm doing all the working out. Whew. All right, one other thing I dug out is my old, oops, that slipped, my old Panasonic projector and the N64. Right now we got GoldenEye up in there because I'll project it onto the wall, turn off all the lights, and I can project it. I'm not a big gamer. I'm not a big fan of games, but it's been good to have like every once in a while just to clear my head to do that. I got some of these balls in here, so that's where I sit. This is the kitchen. This is where I've been cooking, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see all of my different meals that I've been cooking. I make a smoothie every morning for my breakfast. The big table where I sit and eat with my neighbor generally. Let's show you what's in the fridge. This normally is pretty empty because I go out to eat all the time. But now that we can't do that, I've got the eggs. I've got my lunches from Snap Kitchen. These are salmon. So I've got like, this one's called naked salmon. Avocados. We've got hard-boiled eggs. Got a bunch of carrots and vegetables. Ketchup. Down here we've got chickens and shrimps and frozen strawberries and more chicken. Check out what's up here, guys. Check this out. Protein. Protein. This is where I keep my protein. I'm stocked up, so that's good. More Kino Flows that I brought home. Kitty is still over here. Kitty, you enjoying this? And then, at the end of the night, this is what I do. This is a Sony, you can't see it. Let me zoom in on it. That is a Sony 4K projector. Watch this. Let's go here. We'll turn that on, and let's see what happens. So this is where I watch Netflix at night, or movies, or TV, or well, actually I don't even turn on the TV anymore. So we got a 166-inch projection screen. We got the 4K projector. Netflix is coming in 4K, and I get to put my feet up here, watch whatever I want to watch. I've got the Sonos system, and that's really how I've been spending my time. So let me turn this around. Ugh. This thing is heavy. I will tell you that the EOS R with a 15 to 35 is absolutely heavy. So I've been working here day in and day out. I will go to the factory from time to time to do some work because I'm there alone. But this is where I've been kept up for the past 3.5, 4 weeks, well, 3 weeks or so, making the videos, making the content, eating dinners every night, cooking, hanging out, trying to stay sane, working out. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this little tour of where I'm working. Hope you enjoyed the kitty cat. He's a pain in the butt. It's got to be difficult if you have kids working from home right now. I have the cat. I can close the door to the office with that box. But that's really about it. So thank you guys very much for watching. Hopefully you're staying safe. Hopefully you're staying active and busy. That's it. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.